Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with OpenDoor for investor flips and marketplace access, full guide step by step clearly. To register with OpenDoor for investor flips and marketplace access, start by visiting the OpenDoor website. Look for the sign up or register option on the homepage. Click on this option to begin the registration process. You will be prompted to enter your email address. Make sure to use an email that you have regular access to. After entering your email, create a strong password for your account. Follow any additional prompts to verify your email address. Once verified, log into your new account using your email and password. Navigate to the Investors section of the website. Familiarize yourself with the specific requirements for investors. Gather any necessary documentation as outlined in the investor guidelines. Prepare to enter information about your investment background. This may include details about your experience in flipping properties. Once you have all the information ready, proceed to the application form. Fill out the application form with the required details. Double-check the information for accuracy before submitting. After submission, you may receive an email confirmation of your application. Wait for OpenDoor to review your application. This process may take a few days. If approved, you will receive instructions on how to access the investor marketplace. Once you have access, explore available properties for investment. Make sure to take note of any specific rules or requirements for making offers. Keep your profile updated with relevant information as you engage in the marketplace. Regularly check for new listings and investment opportunities. Utilize the tools and resources available on the platform for maximum benefit. Stay informed about any changes to policies or offerings from OpenDoor. Engage with the community to gain insights and advice from other investors. This will enhance your overall experience and success on the platform. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.